Morning everyone, I'm here to check out a motorcycle museum just in Cheltenham. Awesome place, I never knew it existed, but saw a sign, I thought, I'll go check it out. Let's go and have a look. It's a little mini, cut in half. It's a really good spot. There's a little cafe area just outside. I'm going to go into the museum and have a look. Let's check it out. Check this out, this is awesome. I've never seen so many bikes and historical ones. Bikes are here for sale as well, so yeah, look, this is awesome. I'm impressed. Got a shop here with all your riding gear that you can buy. Man, this is awesome. I'm so blown away with it. Never seen so many bikes and sort of motorbike memorabilia. Asking Babe to get onto the bike with me. First I need to learn how to ride one. got a bar, and you can basically have a meal here, lunch or dinner. Looks awesome. I'd recommend coming down. For all of you that are interested in motorbikes, I'll leave the address. Come down, check this place out, have a meal, have a beer. It's awesome. I couldn't do much commentating because I don't know a lot about bikes, but there was one bike there, a police bike. It was actually used in the Terminator movies. How awesome is that? Till next time, ciao for now.